How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Ten of Cups. Alright, so before we get started, subscribe to our channel, it's free, and make sure you hit that notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the Ten of Cups. A loving couple stands together, arms outstretched, as their two children play nearby. They look towards their home on the hill and a beautiful rainbow in the sky filled with 10 cups. These two have true everlasting love and have everything they could wish for: the home, the kids, and most importantly, fulfilling love. And they share this bond with the people around them. The family home symbolizes stability and comfort, while the grassy hills signify fertility, and the river marks the flow of emotion. The rainbow signals the end of difficult times, and is a sign from the divine that everything will be okay. The idyllic sign is one of true emotional fulfillment and divine love. Ten of Cups. All cups denote feelings and emotions. Element of water, the zodiac sign of Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. You embrace humanity. There's a lot of love from family, friends, and children. Both material and spiritual needs are satisfied, and a sense of completion and the right path has been followed. An unconscious dream comes true. Keywords: joy, family life, protection, happiness, home, trust, satisfaction, and contentment, good marriage, and attained fulfillment. So here are the Celtic cross positions. Key position number 1 and flag position number 2. Now, if you look in the top right-hand corner of this video, you'll see a video called the Celtic Cross. It's a reference guide to these positions. You need to watch these positions. It shows you how all the cards are laid out and what these positions mean. So I suggest you go watch that now before you carry on with this video. Key position number 1, situation. A. Resolving the issue holds great contentment. B. Your comfort and enthusiasm radiates to others, giving satisfaction in all matters. C. Or it could be the reason for your question is that maybe you do not feel at home with yourself. Alright, so flag position number 2, challenge. A. Examine the structure that sustains your completeness and see how you can solidify it. B. Ground your wishes in reality and do not remain wrapped in your puffy dreams. C. Whatever project you're considering, you might be more successful if you were to involve a family member or others who seem and feel like family. Question. A. Are you at the crossroads emotionally and need to make a decision about a feeling you have in a relationship? B. What do you want in a family? C. How are you finding harmony in your surroundings? Ten of Cups in upright position and the Ten of Cups in the reverse position. In other words, upside down. The Ten of Cups embodies happiness, joy, and emotional contentment, particularly with family and friends. You appreciate and support one another, and together you help each other reach yours and their highest potential, bringing joy and happiness to see yourself and loved ones succeed and live happy lives. The Ten of Cups is a happy family card. It suggests that your family relationships are harmonious and loving right now, and everyone is spending more time with family. A reunion or special event is on the cards, creating fun and happy family memories and strong bonds. You have a sense of wholeness, completion, and alignment in all your relationships with others. It also is a positive card for romantic relationships and may indicate an engagement, marriage, or starting a family together, or starting a family business, or being noticed in your firm and getting a raise. You are experiencing an idyllic state of peace and love where your dreams and wishes have come true. Follow your heart and trust your intuition to lead you to the opportunities aligned with your highest good. Your feelings and emotions will guide you, having communication with the source, gratitude, and contentment. So the Ten of Cups in the reversed position, in other words, upside down. When in a reverse, in your mind you are seeking greater harmony and connection in your relationships, but in reality you feel disengaged with your loved one. It may seem as if something is missing and both of you are struggling to communicate with each other and having unrealistic expectations. Open the lines of communication. Be ready to give space to one another so that you can reconnect on a deeper level, or you may no longer fit, in which case you may consider leaving and letting go of that no longer brings you fulfillment, and welcome in new relationships in alignment with your highest good. When in reverse, you may be neglecting your family while you pursue your material goals, such as progressing in your career and making more money. Your work-life balance is out of whack, and are spending less quality time with your family. If you continue to neglect your family, you will suffer and may not achieve an overall sense of happiness and achievement as planned. Alright, so that's it for the 10 of Cups. Our next video is going to be on the Page of Cups. So please like this video, please share it, and once again subscribe to our channel, it's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Until our next video, the Page of Cups, Sean from Mel's YouTube Bookside YouTube channel, good day on you.